Ever wondered why your stomach growls? It's not just hunger, it's muscle contractions. These contractions create noises as food moves. But there's more. Gas plays a role too. As food is digested, gas builds up. This gas pushes against the stomach walls, creating sounds. But why does it happen when you're hungry? Hunger triggers signals in your brain. These signals cause your stomach to react. The growling is a sign that digestion is active. It's your body's way of saying, feed me. But what if it growls too much? Overactive growling can signal digestive issues. Listen to your body, it knows best. So next time it growls, remember, it's normal. Like and subscribe please. Feed your mind, never your doubts.